Welcome to Canada Central, your trusted guide to making Ontario your new home. Are you dreaming of building a life in the heart of Canada? In today's video, we will unlock your path by providing a comprehensive guide to obtaining an expression of interest, EOI, letter, an important part of the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP. The OINP offers various streams to suit your skill set and aspirations. Many streams require obtaining an EOI as your first step. It is your chance to showcase your qualifications and express your desire to become an Ontarian. So, how do you impress Ontario? The province uses a point-based system that factors in your education, language skills, work experience, and in some cases, a job offer from an Ontario employer. Don't worry, the EOI process itself is very straightforward and can be completed online at your convenience. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Eligibility check. Before you dive in, ensure you meet the specific criteria for the OINP stream you're interested in. 2. Create your profile. Head over to the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program e-filing portal and create an account to establish your online profile. You will find the link in the description of this video. 3. Complete the EOI. Log in or create a new account if this is your first time and select the relevant stream. Most applicants will need to select the job stream, either as workers or students. Do not select the human capital stream as it does not lead to an EOI letter. 4. File an expression of interest. Answer questions accurately about your work experience, education, language skills, and other details that contribute to your score. The criteria for this application are: A. Your education level, field of study, and whether you studied in Ontario. B. Do you speak English, French, or both, and at what level? C. Will you seek to live in the Greater Toronto Area, GTA, or outside of it? D. Your work skills and experience, based on references, training certificates, and your job level on the Canadian NOC scale, National Occupational Classification, from 0 to 5. Ironically, the lower the number, the more required and specialized the job is considered. E. Do you have a current job offer in Ontario, and where? Obtain a signed offer on the company letterhead, including the job duties, hours, and pay. F. Earning power. How much you used to earn in other jobs. How much will your current job offer pay you, and how many hours a week? G. Do you fit the IEC, Express Entry Canada, programs goals, and high demand jobs profile? 5. Have all of your documents and proof ready, as you only have 14 days to complete this application, so there is little time to obtain more documents. 6. If you have already been submitted by Canada Central, under the question, do you have legal immigration status in Canada? You select yes. Under the next question, indicate your current immigration status. You need to choose implied, unless you have already been approved. In this case, select your visa type. 7. Under what type of work permit do you have? Select either the student, the LMIA work permit, or other. If you are on an LMIA exempt program, ask your Canada Central expert for more information about your program. 8. Invitation to apply, IDA. If your EOI application shines, you will receive an IDA or invitation to apply from OINP, inviting you to submit a full application. 9. Full application. Time to gather official documents like proof of education, language test results, work experience letters, and anything else required by your chosen stream. There are some government fees to submit your visa filing as an organized application. This too is something Canada Central does for you. 10. Decision time. Ontario will carefully assess your application. They may request additional information or even schedule an interview. 11. Nomination magic. Congratulations! If approved, you will receive a nomination certificate from OINP, opening the door for you to work and live in Ontario. That's it. We have unlocked the Ontario EOI process, one step at a time. Remember, Canada Central is here to support you every step of the way. Our immigration experts can guide you through the EOI process and beyond. Visit our website or contact us today to start your journey to Ontario.